Welcome to Touring Globe.
Traveling before you turn 25 is one of the most rewarding things you can do in your youth. It's a time when you're more likely to be open to new experiences, more eager to meet new people, and more willing to step out of your comfort zone. Whether you're traveling with friends, solo, or with a partner, there's a whole world out there full of exciting destinations that offer unique experiences. Here are some of the best destinations to visit before you hit the big 25. 1. Tokyo, Japan. Why go? Tokyo is a dynamic fusion of the ultra-modern and the ancient. From towering skyscrapers and neon-lit streets to tranquil temples and traditional tea ceremonies, this city offers a rich tapestry of experiences for young travelers. For those who love technology, fashion, and cutting-edge trends, Tokyo is the perfect playground. But the city also offers a deeper side, rich in history and tradition. What to do? Explore the bustling districts of Shibuya and Shinjuku, famous for their nightlife, shopping, and street fashion. Visit Meiji Shrine, one of the city's most important Shinto shrines, surrounded by a peaceful forest. Take a day trip to Mount Fuji for a hike or enjoy the view from the Fuji Kawaguchiko area. Indulge in Tokyo's renowned food scene, from sushi at Tsukiji Market to ramen and street food in various districts. Unwind at Odaiba, where you can find a futuristic vibe, large shopping centers, museums, and even a life-sized Gundam statue. 2. Barcelona, Spain. Why go? Barcelona is an eclectic blend of history, art, beach life, and vibrant street culture. The city is home to some of the most famous architectural works of Antoni Gaudí, like the famous La Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. It also offers a laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle, with plenty of beach days and delicious tapas. What to do? Explore the stunning architecture of Gaudí, from the unfinished Sagrada Familia to the colorful mosaics of Park Güell. Wander through the charming alleys of the Gothic Quarter, full of history and unique shops. Spend time at the beach in Barceloneta or go for a swim in the Mediterranean Sea. Walk down La Rambla, the city's most famous street, lined with street performers, food stalls, and cafes. Enjoy the nightlife in the El Born or Ixample districts, where the bars and clubs stay open until dawn. 3. Reykjavik and the Golden Circle, Iceland. Why go? Iceland is an adventure lover's dream. Its stark and stunning landscapes are unlike anything you'll experience anywhere else in the world. The country's natural beauty is a draw for young travelers who love hiking, camping, and exploring unique geological features. Iceland is also a place where you can experience something many people only dream of, seeing the northern lights. What to do? Drive the Golden Circle route, which includes the Geyser geothermal area, Gullfoss waterfall, and Thingvellir National Park, where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. Take a dip in the warm waters of the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa surrounded by lava fields. Hike to the top of volcanic craters or visit the black sand beaches of Vik. Experience a glacier hike or explore ice caves, which are accessible during certain times of the year. Wander around Reykjavik's charming city centre, enjoy the cafes, and visit landmarks like the Hallgrímskirkja Church. 4. New York City, USA. Why go? The energy and diversity of New York City is unparalleled. It's one of those places that everyone should experience at least once in their life. From the dazzling skyscrapers to the world-class art galleries and Broadway shows, the city is always alive with something new to discover. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in different cultures and lifestyles. What to do? See the city from above by visiting the Empire State Building or the One World Observatory. Spend an afternoon in Central Park, where you can picnic, bike, or ice skate, depending on the season. Check out Times Square, known for its bright lights, street performers, and bustling energy. Visit world-renowned museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Museum of Modern Art. Discover the unique neighborhoods of New York, such as Chinatown, the artsy Williamsburg district, and historic Harlem. 5. Paris, France. Why go? Paris is synonymous with romance, but it's also a hub of art, history, and gastronomy. Whether you're visiting iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame or exploring charming streets like those in Montmartre, Paris offers something special for every type of traveler. The city's timeless beauty, world-class museums, and delicious cuisine will leave a lasting impression. What to do? Visit the Louvre, home to some of the world's most famous works of art, including the Mona Lisa. Climb to the top of the Eiffel Tower for a breathtaking view of the city. Stroll along the Seine River and visit the famous bridges, like Pont Alexandre III. Discover the historic and artistic Montmartre district, home to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica and Artist Square Place du Tertre. Indulge in French pastries like croissants, pain au chocolat, and macaroons at local patisseries. 6. Bali, Indonesia. Why go? Bali is the perfect mix of vibrant culture, spirituality, and natural beauty. The island is known for its lush jungles, pristine beaches, and centuries-old temples. Bali is also home to a thriving yoga and wellness culture, making it a great destination for those looking to relax and unwind while reconnecting with nature. What to do? Visit the sacred temples like Tanah Lot, Uluwatu, and the Elephant Cave Temple. Wander through Ubud's famous rice terraces, especially Tegalalang Rice Terrace. Spend a day in Canggu or Seminyak, where you can relax at beachside cafes and try surfing. Visit the Monkey Forest Sanctuary, where you can see hundreds of playful macaques. Take part in a wellness retreat or yoga session to rejuvenate your body and mind. 7. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Why go? Amsterdam is known for its picturesque canals, historic sites, and relaxed atmosphere. It's a great place for young travelers who love to cycle, explore quirky neighborhoods, and indulge in art and history. The city's laid-back vibe makes it the perfect destination to explore on foot or by bike. What to do? Cycle around the city to experience its charming neighborhoods and canals. Visit the Van Gogh Museum, Rijksmuseum, and Anne Frank House to dive into the city's rich culture and history. Take a boat ride along the canal or explore the famous Jordan district. Relax in Vondelpark or visit the famous flower market, Bloemenmarkt. Try local foods like Dutch pancakes and herring from street vendors. 8. Queenstown, New Zealand. Why go? For thrill seekers, Queenstown is the ultimate destination. It's known as the adventure capital of the world, offering adrenaline-pumping activities like bungee jumping, skydiving, and jet boating. Surrounded by the breathtaking landscapes of mountains and lakes, Queenstown offers a variety of outdoor activities for all types of travelers. What to do? Go bungee jumping or try the world-famous shot-over jet boat ride. Take a scenic hike or drive to the top of the Ben Lomond track for jaw-dropping views. Visit Milford Sound, one of the most beautiful fjords in the world. Experience winter sports like skiing or snowboarding in the colder months. Explore the town's many cafes and restaurants, or go wine tasting in nearby Gibston Valley. 9. Santorini, Greece. Why go? Santorini is a dream destination with its iconic whitewashed houses and stunning views over the Aegean Sea. The island's dramatic cliffs, crystal clear waters, and beautiful sunsets make it one of the most photogenic places on Earth. It's an ideal destination for both relaxation and exploration, with a rich cultural history and lively atmosphere. What to do? Watch the famous sunset from Oya, one of the most photographed spots in the world. Explore ancient ruins like the Minoan city of Akrotiri. Spend time on the black sand beaches of Kamari or Parissa. Discover traditional villages and quaint cobblestone streets. Enjoy fresh seafood and traditional Greek dishes at a seaside taverna. 10. Cape Town, South Africa. Why go? Cape Town is a city that's brimming with diversity, both culturally and in terms of the natural beauty it offers. With majestic mountains, vibrant neighborhoods, and the promise of adventure, it's an ideal spot for young travelers who want to explore unique landscapes and rich history. What to do? Hike up Table Mountain for panoramic views of the city, coastline, and nearby Robben Island. Visit the historic and colorful Bo-Kaap district, home to Cape Town's Muslim community. Discover the natural beauty at Boulders Beach, where you can swim with penguins. Take a day trip to the Cape of Good Hope, the southernmost point of the African continent. Explore the District 6 Museum and learn about Cape Town's complicated apartheid history. Conclusion. Traveling before you turn 25 allows you to step into the world with fresh eyes, discover new cultures, meet people from all walks of life, and make unforgettable memories. Each of these destinations offers unique experiences that will enrich your life, broaden your understanding of the world, and help you grow in ways you never imagined. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, history, or culture, these places promise to leave you with stories and moments that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags and take the plunge into the exciting, unpredictable world of travel. There's a lifetime of adventure waiting for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the information engaging and valuable. Your viewership encourages us to keep creating and sharing more exciting material. If you enjoyed what you saw, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and become a part of our growing community. Your subscription not only motivates us but also helps us reach more viewers like you. Join us on this journey, and together, let's explore new ideas and experiences. See you in the next video.